I was making a tutorial on this shirt dress, so I decided to show you how to make the shirt collar. So here is my shirt. I'm going to take the measurement of the neckline. So watch how I'm going to take it. First, you're going to take the measurement of the button stand separately, and then start from there and take the measurement of the neckline. So I'm going to take that round. Let me take it from the back. So starting from where the button stand stopped, you take the measurement to the other side where the button cover stands. So here you stop and then take the measurement of the button stand. I have 1.5 and the neckline is 14 inches. So we are going to be using 14 inches for the collar measurement. So you're going to divide that by 2. I got 14 inches. Divide that by 2, you have 7 inches. I'll go ahead and mark the 7 inches and I'm going to square it up. So this measurement will give me the width of the shirt collar. Next, I'm going to take the height of the shirt collar. So from here, I'm going to take the measurements of the height of the shirt collar, including the collar stand and the shirt collar itself. So in total, I have 4.5 inches. I'm going to mark 4.5 inches here and square that out. Next, I'm going to mark the height of the collar stand. So I'm going to be using 1.25 for the collar stand. You can decide to make it 1.5, but I'm using 1.25 for the collar stand. So I'm going to mark 1.25 here and I'm going to square that across. Next is for me to shape the shirt collar. So you're going to take 1/3 of this measurement, whatever you have, mark it here. Then you're going to come up from here 0.25 and mark that. Then you're going to connect this to this and extend the line out. Next is for us to mark the measurement we got from the button stand, which is 1.25. So from here you're going to take 1.25 and mark it. Then you're going to connect it in a curved manner like so. So here you can decide to make it curve or any design of your choice, however you want that place to be. So mine, I want it to be curved. Next, I'm going to come up here 0.5 to shape the shirt collar. So you're going to connect this to this 1/3 that you came out here. Connect this to this place as you see me doing. Next is for us to mark the shirts, the outer side of the shirt collar. So I'm going to mark 1 inch or 0.75, but I use 1 inch here. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to this place as you're seeing me do. So the shirt collar is ready. You're going to take out the places I'm marking now. You're going to take this off, and also here you're going to take that off. So I'll go ahead and cut out the collar. If you have watched till this place, then know that you're on your way to making a perfect shirt collar for yourself. Trust me, this fits so amazing. Make sure to try that out if you have been using other methods. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always supporting and coming back to share my video, watch my video, drop your comments and like. and also share it on other social media handles. I appreciate. I'm using this opportunity to thank you guys. So next we are going to cut this out on the fabric, and that is where I'm going to add my sewing allowance. So this is it. After cutting it, I added half-inch sewing allowance all around, and I've cut 2 pieces of each side of the collar. Then I went ahead and added interfacing to this. I used this interfacing, we call this interfacing paper gum stay. So that's what I used to gum on both sides of the fabric, just full. Next is to sew this. Starting from the upper side, we are going to sew this half-inch here and all the way around like this. And after sewing it, this is it. Next, you're going to notch the center of the shirt collar. I'll also notch the collar stand. You're notching the side where the upper collar will stand. So I'm going to use this and place this here, and use the other side of the collar to sandwich the main shirt collar. So you're going to go to your machine now and sew half-inch all around. I'll do that and show you the next thing to do. So this is it. After sewing it, make sure you're going to notch this area. It's very important so that the shirt collar would relax properly. You can also achieve the same result by just reducing the seam allowance to like 0.25, anyone you choose. I also ironed one part. I ironed half-inch inside. So when I turn it out like this, make sure you bring out the curve that you made for the button stand. So I'm going to iron this. I'm going to iron this properly now and show you the next thing to do. So this is it after ironing it. So it's looking very clean. Next, I'm going to bring my shirt. You're going to align this. Make sure you make the notch the center of the shirt and the center of the shirt, the collar. So you're going to, the place that you have not ironed, you're going to sew it to the shirt neck like this. You sew away half-inch and turn it on the other side and do a stitch in the ditch. So this is it. After sewing the half-inch, you can see it. Then I'm going to place this like this and iron it, and then go to my machine now and do a stitch in the ditch here. So if you have watched till this time, this is the end of this tutorial. If you want to know how I made the full shirt, I will drop that in the description section. So make sure to like and drop your comments.